Good afternoon, this is Sean Taylor with Silver Creek Realty Group, and I want to introduce you to 3116 Cascadia Street in Caldwell, Idaho. This is in the Montecito Park, and this home was built in 2007. You'll notice the stucco exterior, covered front porch with rain gutters, very nice landscaping. Very spacious home with 3,047 square feet. Nice wide garage door, lots of concrete, plenty of room to park. Long enough to park a huge full-size truck or van. 3 different kind of community parks in the neighborhood. Includes basketball, play structures, etc. The vented eaves up there with the full rain gutters around the front. Has a new HVAC system installed in 2022, a new water heater in 2019, new water softener in 19, new covered rear patio. Got the covered front here. It's a nice place to sit out here at night if you'd like. And this house has 3 bedrooms, 2.5 bath. Very functional floor plan that also has kind of a formal living or dining room, an office, and huge bonus room where you could convert that to 2 more bedrooms if you'd like to. Got the leaded glass front door, and let's go inside and take a look. Okay, walking in the front door now. The first thing you'll notice are the beautiful new vinyl plank flooring, newer, 2-tone paint, custom paint colors in here. And then you've got this multi-function room here. You put a piano, game area, formal dining room, whatever you want it to be. Then you've got they're using it as kind of a separate kids play room, make a great office, being that it's off the front door. Nice windows here, 2.5-inch faux blinds. This is one of my favorite parts of the stairs, how beautifully they put in the steps going up here. Those are not the originals, just really well done. But the nice white caps, or not the wood caps with the white trim, just looks sensational. Over here you just have a kind of coat closet. Off to the right we have the guest bathroom. And in here we have plenty of room for any size dining room table. Big open kitchen, the walk-in pantry, lots of recessed can lighting, and then a huge family room. So notice that this wall extends out an extra 2 feet from what the kitchen does. So you have room for any size furniture in here, or any size TV, as you can tell. The TV is huge. Lots of light, plenty of windows, sliding glass door. You'll notice that all the cabinets have handles on them, which is convenient, and a gas range, custom tile backsplash, nice deep fridge, nice deep sink with a sprayer, GE dishwasher, and GE black appliances. And I love the space in this. This goes all the way around as well over here, so plenty of room for your food, or that giant chocolate fountain you have that you have no idea where to put. Then we walk through here. I like the white trim. It's got the quarter bead down here on the floor as well that kind of ties in the wood flooring. And then your utility room with the folding shelf over here on the side, plenty of room to hang your clothes. And the garage, the owners have a lot packed in there right now because they're getting ready for a move soon, but I'll take you upstairs next. There's a good look at the front entry as well. Sorry, we have the Matterport camera there right now. Here's one more look at the downstairs. And you can find the PDF of the floor plan with pretty exact measurements on it on the MLS. You can ask your agent about it, or Should have it on rockidaho.com. Oh, let's take you outside. I forgot to show you that. Let's take you outside real quick. We've got huge backyard. Play structure is included. At least I believe it is. About a 10 by 20 covered back patio here. This is kind of facing south here. Like that they've extended this out as well. Huge AC, man door coming off of the garage. On this covered patio, you'll notice that they did it the right way with the big lag bolts and the right spread there. And fully fenced. They just have rock on this side of the house over there. And then the stucco exterior. And again, rain gutters. All right, now we can take you upstairs. Okay, so I'm gonna take you up the stairs now. I've got my cute colorful socks today. Taking it easy on these floors. Just love them. You've got the kind of bull-nosed cap on the pony wall here. And as you walk up the stairs, the first thing you'll see is the giant bonus room. Now, originally the builder offered several options where you could put a wall right between those windows and come out and have 2 more bedrooms there. I think there was another option to have another bedroom off of this way and one over there with this open. So just a lot of options there. That'd be a pretty simple modification to make with basically 2 walls. So you have a desk area here if you like that. I've seen them with a kind of a dry bar right there as well. A lot of times bonus rooms are not wide enough to do a pool table or something like that, or this one, as you can see, has plenty of room. That is a huge couch, and there's still plenty of space here. We have another linen closet here, nice and deep. And in this house, all the bedrooms have walk-in closets as well. So obviously, kind of have a kid's bedroom here. Walk-in closet, nice and deep. Separate from the master, which is down here. And you've got the nice long countertop here. Shower tub combo. Next bedroom here. Sorry, the fan is on in here. The yellow and green room with, again, another walk-in closet. All the dimensions are on the MLS or on a separate PDF. Then you come into the master. This is like 19 by 18, I believe it was. Huge bedroom. I like that they have a white lid. Keeps it nice and bright. That's a king-size bed to give you perspective of how much space you have on both sides for any size of furniture. I mean, you could put 2 of these across there if you wanted to. And then you still have room for other dressers, TV, entertainment center, whatever you want here. Your bear. And guest bathroom. Has some tile floor in here. Very nice. Nice straight lines on it too. His and her vanities, or dual vanities. You have the rain glass window here. Some fresh air in the bathroom. Then you have the private commode with the wainscoting in there. I never noticed a wainscoting or cotting. Another bear. Plenty of room to swing the door closed if you're sitting on the potty. Then you have a separate shower unit here. The head up there. Again, the white lid. And then you have a shower tub combo here. And this is the nice rounded one. So you've got a nice big tub. And then here you have the huge closet. Plenty of room for just about anybody in their shopping habits. Give you some perspective, the amount of shoes we have here, and plenty of room still in this closet. Okay, I think I showed you the whole house. If you have any other questions, feel free to give me a call. Sean Taylor, Silver Creek Realty Group, 208-340-0000. If you're working with an agent, have them give me a call and answer any other additional questions you might have. Happy to help. And thank you for touring this awesome house at 3116 Cascadia Street in Caldwell, Idaho.